Your WAEC result, when it comes to checking your result online, it's not complicated, right? To check your result is not complicated, and in this video let me just show you directly how to check your result without giving anybody any money. You can do it on your own. You can do it without going to any cyber cafe. Look at this link. This is the link. I want you to copy it out, or you can tell me in the comment section to send it to you. Send you this link privately so that you can check your WAEC result immediately. So you need to have your scratch card, your WAEC scratch card, or if you don't have your WAEC scratch card, you can buy, right? You can buy. If you want to buy from me or anybody, let me know. Just copy out this link, www.waecdirect.org. Then once you do that, you enter your 10-digit WAEC exam number. That's your exam number. That's your exam number you're using writing your WAEC. Select the exam year. The exam year is 2025, right? Or any year. If you are checking for 2026, 2027, any year. This is the same method. Then choose your exam type, school candidate. It is for school candidate. Input your ePIN. In your exam card, you will see your ePIN and serial number. Then click on submit. Once you click on submit, your result will be out. This is what I'm talking about. Here, once you click on that link, waecdirect.org, waecdirectonline.com, you will see a page like this. You come here, put your exam number. You can see the year. You put the year. If it is not 2025, just click on the year, select the particular year. Then this examination where it is written private candidate result, click on it and select school candidate, not private candidate, except if you wrote GCE. But if you wrote as a normal secondary school student or in a secondary school, just click on private and change it to school. Then put your PIN, put your serial number, then just click on submit. Once you click on submit, your WAEC result will be out. You can see that once it is out, you can now screenshot it. You can screenshot it, or you now go to a cyber cafe and print it out. But this is the way to check your result without giving anybody any kobo. If you have any complication, your WAEC result was withheld, or any issue at all, kindly type it in the comment section. Share this video, like this video, and drop a comment. If you passed, let me know. If you want any help in any way, let me know right now. There's an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch. If you have not subscribed, click on subscribe immediately.